Hello everyone! So today we're going to discuss about cells, specifically its organelles. There are two types of cells, the eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are cells with membrane-bound organelles and it has nucleus. So today, we're going to recreate the organelles of an animal cell using some household materials related to its function.
To start with, this bubble wrap will represent as the cell membrane. It is located outside the cell. The cell membrane holds all the organelles inside and controls what goes in and out of the cell. The next would be the jelly-like substance. Here, we are going to use gelatin to represent the cytoplasm. It is located inside the cell, and it is where all of the different parts of the cell are floating around. The first organelle that I'm going to show you is the nucleus. I'm using a flash drive for the nucleus because the nucleus contains and determines all of your DNA. Just like a flash drive containing different data, assume that the DNA is a file stored in this USB. It is located inside the cytoplasm. Extending out from the nucleus, we have this transport system of tubes called the endoplasmic reticulum. I represented this with straws. This is responsible for the creating and transporting proteins throughout the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum is divided into two parts. We have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which has certain things attached to it. I'm using these toy bricks as the ribosomes. It is where the amino acids are put together to form proteins. We are using Lego bricks to represent the place where the other Lego bricks or the ribosomes go to join up to form bigger pieces. Next, I am using a battery as the mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. It is where the energy comes from to supply power to the cell. The bubble inside the cell, known as the vacuole, basically serves as a storage facility. It stores chemicals, nutrients, and other waste materials. It also isolates things that might be harmful to the other parts of the cell. For this, I'm using a Ziploc bag because they have the same function. The last organelle that I'm going to talk about is the lysosome. Lysosomes are tiny bubbles that are highly acidic. It contains chemicals called enzymes. Enzymes plays a big role in breaking down big molecules into smaller ones. We are using a sargandi because these are acidic just like the inside of the lysosome.
And that's it for the animal cell. So today we discussed most of the organelles that we need to know within the animal cell. These are namely the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, ribosomes, vacuole, and the lysosomes. I hope this video will help you to remember the different organelles within the animal cell and their different functions. That's all for today. Thank you.